हाय वेलकम बैक ऑन बिज ग्रो ऑल अबाउट बिजनेस। सो आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं अपना फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ द बिजनेस विच इज knowing what kind of business owner you are. It's very important to know कि हमारा क्या पर्पस है बिजनेस करने का. So there are 4 types of business owner depending on what is the purpose of doing a business. The first is identity driven business owners. आइडेंटिटी ड्रिवन बिजनेस ओनर्स मैं आपको एक छोटे से एग्जाम्पल से समझाती हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव अ फ्रेंड, सो शी बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी रिच स्टेबल फैमिली, बट शी हैज बीन ऑलवेज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ होम एज अ होम मेकर. एवरीवन हैज नोन हर दैट शी इज अ हाउसवाइफ फ्रॉम ईयर्स, बट शी डिड नॉट लाइक दैट अबाउट हर सेल्फ, दैट एवरीवन यूज्ड टू ट्रीट हर कि तुम्हें क्या पता बिजनेस के बारे में, तुम्हें क्या पता दुनिया के बारे में. सो व्हाट शी डिड, शी लर्नड अ स्किल. शी डिड बेकिंग कोर्स, और बेकिंग कोर्स करने के बाद उन्होंने अपना एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, एक छोटा सा कैफे स्टार्ट किया, वेयर she established a business and she changed her identity. Now everyone in the family respects her, look at her knowing that she owns a cafe. So this is a identity driven business owner, where your purpose of doing business is to change the identity, to stand out in society and prove to people, your family and friends, that you can also do something in life. The second kind of business owners are income driven business owners, जो कि अपना business start करते हैं with one goal, that they have to earn a particular income every month to meet their monthly expenses. This they do because they want to be independent in the family. For example, I have a client, so she learned Zumba and she started her Zumba center. Now she has 15 to 20 women who come to her center every month and she is earning pretty good 50-60,000 every month, जहाँ पे वो अपने expenses take care करती है. She takes care of the home expenses. Now she doesn't have to ask money from her husband and it has made her independent and she's loving it. So this kind of business owner, they are income driven business owners कि एक particular goal set किया कि monthly income मुझे इतना earn करना है, and that's their goal. The third category is financial freedom driven business owners. So these are the business owners which do their business for 3 goals. Number 1, to make a lot of profits in their business, to increase the money flow in their life. Second, to create assets in their life. Third, to come to a stage of financial freedom where at some point if they don't work for next 10 years, they have that kind of money in their hand. These kind of business owners are usually not from business background families. They start from scratch, but they have dreams, they have big goals, that they want to come to a stage where if they don't work for next 15 years, they have that kind of ample amount of money in their life. And the last category is legacy driven business owner. So these are the business owners who create legacies, who make brands, who build brands, they raise funds, they do tie-ups with the right people, right connections, and they build up brands. They have dreams of multiple centers having 100 outlets, 200 outlets, and they create legacies for their coming generations. Now, when you know what is the purpose of your business, is it changing your identity or to generate monthly income and become financially independent, or to increase the financial freedom, have more money, more luxury, more assets in your life, or to create a brand? When you know the purpose of your business, you can make a right roadmap of where you want to take your business and how you want to take your business. And when you know what is the purpose of the business, now the next step is you need to have a roadmap कि आपको अपने business को first level से third level तक कैसे लेके जाना है. So watch my next video where I'll be teaching you a roadmap of how to scale your business and make it profitable.